Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll break down a powerful judgment, Lalita Devi versus Enforcement Directorate. The judgment deals with various questions. Number one, if a property is in the wife's name, can the ED do nothing? Number two, if money is routed through relatives' accounts, does it become clean? Number three, if a house is bought through a loan, is it always protected? If you think the answer for these questions is yes, this case will change your understanding. Background of the case. This story begins in Municipal Corporation Bhiwani, Haryana. Money held by a municipal council is public money. It is meant for roads, sanitation, local development, and public services. But serious allegations arose that around 2 to 3 crores of government funds were fraudulently transferred into private accounts. In simple words, money meant for public welfare and development was allegedly diverted for private benefits. A police case was registered, and during investigation it was alleged that Mr. Vinod Kumar Goel, along with others, played a role in the fraudulent transfer of funds from the municipal corporation into private firms' public accounts. After the criminal case, the matter reached the Enforcement Directorate. Why? Because when crime money is hidden, layered, transferred, converted, invested, or used to purchase assets, the law that comes into action is the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So, this case was not just about fraud or embezzlement, it also became a case about whether the alleged illegal money was later used to acquire properties and disguise its true source. During the investigation, ED Clark claimed that several persons were involved in the fraud. Then investigators found two valuable properties in the name of one Lalita Devi. Who was she? She was the wife of one of the key accused persons. That changed the entire case. Because the question now became, was she the real owner using genuine money? Or were the properties purchased using proceeds of crime? Now the legal issue was simple. Were these normal family assets? Or were these assets created from illegal funds? Lalita Devi's stance, Lalita Devi's defense. Before the tribunal, Lalita Devi argued that the first property was bought using money borrowed from relatives. The second property was purchased through a housing loan. Loan EMI were being paid regularly. One property was bought before the alleged scam period. At first look, the defense sounded reasonable. But in court, statements alone are not enough. Courts need proof. The tribunal asked direct and practical questions. If relatives gave money, then Where did the relatives get that money from? If there was a bank loan, then from what lawful income were the EMIs paid? And most importantly, were bank statements filed? Was income proof shown? Was there a genuine money trail? These questions became the turning point of the case. Why the defense failed? The claims were made, but proper documentary evidence was missing. ED showed money trail suggesting cash was deposited, money moved into multiple accounts, it was routed through relatives, then used for property purchases. In money laundering law, this is called layering, meaning money is moved through different channels to hide its true source and make it appear clean. Tribunal's powerful legal principle. The tribunal made one thing absolutely clear: property in the wife's name is not automatically protected. The name of the title deed is not the final test. The real test is who funded it, what is the source, is the money lawful. If the funds are linked to crime, every property in the spouse or family member's name can be attached. Is loan property always safe? Many people think if there is bank loan, the property is legal. But the tribunal rejected that thinking. It held taking a loan alone is not enough. If the repayment comes from tainted money, the property may still face attachment. That is a major lesson from this case. The tribunal dismissed Lalita Devi's appeal. The ED's attachment order was upheld. This means the action against properties continued. This is C and IP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. See you in the next presentation. Thank you.